How's that for a start of a video? Welcome back. Today you join me from Bala Lake down in Wales. We're just down here on a bit of a midweek break while we have a rest from work. What we're doing today then is we're going to film a video of a driving road. It's the A494 and it starts just behind me, coming out of the car park as you can see, and it goes all the way down here, mind the coffee that's in my hand, all the way down here, past and down the side of Bala Lake. A bit different, I've got a sports camera that we're going to attach to the car. Well, the driving road. So we need a good car, don't we, for this? So that's what we'll do. We'll show you the car that we've got. I think you're going to like it. It's Japanese. But for now, I'll leave you with some cinematics of Bala Lake. We're just walking, here's the car now. You ready for the big reveal? Here it is. 110 brake horsepower Nissan Qashqai.
Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by. All the poems I wrote for you, they made me blind, they made me lie. Heard you in the rain, will you always be there? Last thing you said. Sorry if it's too late. Heard you in the rain, will you always be there? Last thing you said. Sorry if it's too
So we've just parked up at the side of the road. We've come off the A494. I'll tell you what road we're on, I don't really know. Kind of following the sat nav, but we pulled over and have a look at this. Just in this woodland here, there's a bit of a church. Wow, this is spooky, this. I don't know if the church is disused. It doesn't look like it's been used for years. Some old gravestones. So this is the church behind me. I don't know if it's like disused or not many people. It looks like it is maintained. If you look at the roof and the old bell, it does look like it's maintained. And just like in all the woods and the trees behind me, you can see these gravestones. They're everywhere. It's spooky, but it's quite cool at the same time. There's a notice board in here. St. Mark's. Just being nosy through the window, can you see the big gold bird? Spooky there. It's cool though. It is very, very cool. We're just walking around, so we just pulled over to stretch our legs. We saw this just through the trees. We don't want to push our luck too much. Don't upset any of the locals, but yeah, this is cool, this. And we're back round the front. I think it is used, the church, by the looks of it. There's some notices and stuff, and I think it does get used. I just think it's in, they're not trimming everything back just to kind of keep in touching them with the area and stuff, but it is very, very spooky, very cool. So yeah, we'll head back down to the car now. Look at these. So yeah, we'll head back down to the car and we'll carry on with our journey. Is it cool, Keto? Is it cool?
Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by. All the poems I wrote for you, they made me blind, they made me lie. Heard you in the rain, will you always be there? Last thing you said, sorry if it's too late. Heard you in the rain, will you always be there? Last thing you said.
So, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is actually a few days later. It is the end of our stay in Wales. Oh, that sun's bright. It's the cottage we just stayed at. So I hope you enjoyed. Remember, if you have, please like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Cheers.